Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to create the carpet and Revit. Before we start, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to receive any new tutorial, and don't forget to like and share. So let's start. Okay guys, I create before this. Now I want to create here a carpet. Okay, so first of all I go to components, model in place, and I select here floor. Okay, and floor 1. Okay, I click extrude and create this line. I create here 1.8. Okay, and here 2.6. Okay, guys, finish. Okay, so this is the carpet. This is you want to a little bit. Okay, so this extrude I go to 3D, and now this height, so I click here this height, it's carpet height 1 centimeter. I write 0.1. Okay, so click here and again go to level 1. This is a carpet. Okay, how to now I add here a material is a realistic. So what I do, I click here finish. Okay, go to insert, and this command is decal. Okay, I click the decal and create here a new. Okay, I write here my new carpet. Okay, it's save a time, and I click here to where your image. So click the image, open, and okay, now I click here. Okay, so I should select this realistic to I know this, I see this. Okay, so I move and the place I want to rotate. Okay, and move here and move here. So now I click this. Okay, to adjust. Okay, now I click here. Okay, so now this is a carpet. I create here a camera and click the realistic. So it's very easy to create this carpet. I hope you like this tutorial. If you want to watch my previous tutorial, so I given below the links in the description box. Thank you for watching.